Well, it's Sunday, September 28th, 2014. We just took a trip to try to get to an auto store, but they're closed Sundays, I guess. I wanted to get the gasket for this, but I'm going to just use this old gasket I have for that. I'll make one someday or something. Okay, this part's all done. I was going to put this on, and I see that I forgot a piece. Like a little spacer that goes in there. I go back in and get the spacer. Well, this really doesn't look right, but this hose must, I think, go into that somehow. Oh boy. Doesn't seem right. No, that's not right. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to look at my pictures. Something's screwy here. Okay, apparently it goes like that. That leaves this with a problem. For some reason there's no gasket for this. I don't know if there's supposed to be a gasket. I don't know. I would think there'd be supposed to be a gasket there. Oh my god. This van is like a van from hell. I'm gonna have to look it up online. That's how that's gotta sit though. I gotta put that tube on. Well, the van came with two CA192 Fram filters. Brand new. We got another one in the back. Yeah, this. I would think there should be a gasket right up here, but I don't see one. So I'll just put this on. This should face to the front. I gotta use two hands for that too. Weird. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can buy a gasket for that. Okay, that's that. And this stupid hose, which I'm gonna have to replace because it's full of holes, goes from the heat riser down there and plugs in somehow to this filter up here, and I can see it's really no easy feat, but I'm just going to buy another hose. It's all full of holes. Oh, that's that. All I gotta do is tie wrap some of this stuff up so it's not so close to the it's not so close to everything. I need some tie wraps. Everything else looks nice and pretty. Yeah, I gotta put that tunnel ram thing on the front and then reinstall this clean around the edges and then reinstall this interior thing, which also needs cleaning. And I'm just gonna pull the front seat out and I'll clean this whole area up, and I'll do the same to the back. I don't know if that was the antibacterial Febreze that made that turn brown or not. I'm kind of scared that it is. Kind of weird. I'm almost ready to go to Florida, except for the brake problems now. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna start this up again. I'm gonna get my caliper. I'm gonna try to find the size of some of these brake lines. Wish I had a place to work on this. I'm scared to pull the brakes out here and then have a problem not be able to move it at all. I don't know if I can reach any of them from here. Any of the lines. Well, I can see some of them, but they do look like crap. Oh my god. At least this is running good, at least as of yesterday. Yeah, I measured them on the bottom. They're pretty bad down there. One was 3/16, the other one was a 1/4 inch. I'm assuming these are going to be the same. Yeah, you can clearly see that's a 1/4 inch. And that one's 3/16. Right on the money. I didn't know they measured these by OD. Yeah, they look pretty nice up here, but down below they're a wreck. Well, I see where they patched it in some places down below. I don't know if that's stock that way or what. I'm gonna have to get a map of this braking system. Unfortunately, being this is 1992 model, GM's not really supporting it anymore. It's starting right up and it's running beautiful. Well, so far so good. I would feel pretty comfortable taking this for a trip to Florida engine-wise. Give it a little, keep the trials going. It's just not going to start back where it was doing. It's looking good so far. Yeah, it's heated up nice and it's still running good. Awesome, finally. Okay, one thing I got to do is put the good tires on this. I got brand new tires for this. I have to get it mounted and balanced. I have to check make sure the bearings are greased and in good shape on these, on this trailer. I don't want it burning up on the way there. I have to tighten the ball on the hitch. The hitch is brand new, as you've seen in my videos probably. And bumper's brand new too. You know, it was made in China and it was drilled wrong. I had to re-drill it. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I'll have to match up some of this paint, stop some of this rust. Eventually I'll have to pull these windows out and clean this rust up properly, repair it. Put them back in, little by little. Left rear tire looks like it's got a little pin leak in it. This thing has a spare. I'm going to be switching these tires out and painting the rim a little more presentable. It says all the hubcaps on this side, the other side. Yeah, all 4 hubcaps. I really wish I knew why it's rusting so much. Yeah, it's not all rusted too, it's all spot rust, but it's like it all happened recently. I don't know if this thing just sat recently and it was running good before that. I really don't know. I have body work to do in the back. Ladder's been removed. It used to have a ladder on it. I can see the holes. Had I seen the holes when I bought it, I would have asked them about it. That looks good so far. I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna see if I can go get some paint.